In this video, I want to show you how to charge your Samsung Galaxy A26. So how is it possible? Well, there's many different ways. The first one, obviously, the phone comes in the box with a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Unfortunately, it does not come with a charger. You will have to get one of these, and you probably already have one in your house, to connect one end over here, connect this in your power outlet, and the other end will go in the USB Type-C port down below, just like that. And this will start charging. Now, if you don't have one of these chargers, I'll put a link in the description towards Amazon so you can get one. This was method number one. Method number two, I mean, it's almost the same. If you have a charger at home that is USB Type A, you see, it's not USB Type C, you'll need a cable that is USB Type A to USB Type C, and it's the same gimmick, okay? Simply plug this in your wall outlet, this right over here, and it should charge your phone. Now, you can also charge your A26 on the go. So if you have a portable battery like this one over here, it has a USB Type-C port. I simply have to connect the cable that came included in the box over here, and the other end in the Samsung phone, just like that, and it will start charging. Well, now my phone is 100%, so it will not charge, but you get the idea. If you have a portable battery, you'll be able to charge your phone. Unfortunately, this model, the A26, is not capable of wireless charging. So if you have a wireless charging mat, you cannot simply put it there and charge your phone. Unfortunately, this is only available on more expensive Samsung phones. So this is about it. These are all the methods that you can charge your Galaxy A26. Leave a comment, check my Amazon links if you don't have one of these things that you need, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.